It's just...
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Flagler County in northeastern Florida until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
That's crazy wazy.
10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ormond by the Sea and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Drink water, kids.
Are indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Flagler Beach. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
No.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm.
That's crazy. That's crazy. What the fuck? I'm just trying to play with my multimeter, bro.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Volusia County and East Central Florida until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
That's crazy.
5:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ormond by the Sea, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles. Locations impacted include Daytona Beach, Ormond Beach, Holly Hill, Ormond by the Sea, and Ormond Beach Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash floods.
I'm too lazy to walk over there, just bear with me.
Through flooded roadways.
I heard double header. No, only on Daytona. What's this about? What's this about? Special Marine warning?
Special Marine warning.
Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Flagler Beach to Volusia Brevard County, line 0 to 20 nautical miles until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Ormond by the Sea, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Ormond by the Sea, Ormond Beach, Holly Hill, Daytona Beach, and Daytona Beach shores. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Cool. Triple header?
Special weather statement.
Never triple header. Man, fuck you. You didn't give me triple header. Now I'm gonna be angry about it. Like every fucking EAS kid. Another one. Another one.
Flood warning for the following county: Putnam, Florida. Flood warning in effect until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of northeast of Florida, including the following county: Putnam. When? Until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers.
That's cray.
Other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details, at 6:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include mainly rural areas of southern Putnam County. http://www.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Stupid sleeves won't get off the damn. There you go.
Flood advisory for the following county: Putnam, Florida.
That is cray cray. I'm eating chips right now, bro.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Marion County in northern Florida, central Putnam County in northeastern Florida until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Delancey, or 10 miles north of Salt Springs, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palatka, Interlaken, East Palatka, Lake Delancey, Hollister, Satsuma, Willaca, Hog Valley, and Mango. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Flagler Beach to Volusia, Brevard County, line 0 to 20 nautical miles.
A warning.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bradford County in northern Florida, southwestern St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, northern Putnam County in northeastern Florida, Clay County in northeastern Florida, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Maxfield to Bostwick, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Green Cove Springs, Stark, Keystone Heights, Middleburg, New River, Flora Home, Federal Point, Doctors Inlet, Bargain and Fleming Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southwestern Lake, southwestern Orange, and northwestern...
Did you know? I don't like this game anymore.
Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fernandina Beach.
Need something better to snack on.
20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 7 p.m. Eastern.
Goldfish!
Thunderstorms were located
Snack that smiles back. Ball sack.
River State Park at 22 nautical miles east of Ponte Vedra Beach, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Dorothy Louise Barge, St. Augustine Beach, Beverly Beach, Villano Beach, South Ponte Vedra Beach, 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine, Crescent Beach, Butler Beach, Marineland, Big George's Reef, Guana River State Park, Palm Coast, and Palm Valley. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure
Window.
all crew members are wearing USCG approved Type R life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life safety, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness.
Okay.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Jacksonville.
Northern Flagler County in northeastern Florida, St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, Putnam County
Goldfish.
in northeastern Florida, Southern Clay County in northeastern Florida until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from St. Augustine to near Lake Geneva, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail.
Oh no.
Radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Coast, St. Augustine, Black, Greencoat Springs, Interlaken, Keystone Heights, Pomona Park, Hastings, East Palatka, and Andalusia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Serving Daytona Beach and vicinity, this is NOAA Weather Radio Station KIH 26, the voice of